friends of Koenigsegg Automotive. It's such a great pleasure to see so many friends and family here today. And we're also very excited that we've been able to keep this a secret from all of you. And we will do the proper unveiling, and you will see this beauty in just a few minutes. And Christian will do his normal tour of the car and describe every technical detail for all of you. But this year is also a special year for us. We are celebrating our 25th anniversary as a company, and it's been quite a journey. And actually it's a very emotional day for us, because we also have someone here with us that has been so important to the Koenigsegg company, and that is actually Christian's father, Jesko. Jesko, would you mind coming up here with me? And Brita also. Would you come? Christian's mother as well. Not many of you might know this, but Jesko has always loved horsepower. But in the early days, it was more 1 horsepower. Jesko was an amateur jockey, and he shared this passion with his father. And they had race horses, and he competed and won a lot of races. So this, with the horsepower, that's really something Jesko loves. Now, around 1,000, but still. But this man has been so instrumental to our company, and without Jesko, there would not have been a Koenigsegg. And and therefore, it's my great honor to tell you something, Jesko. We've actually been keeping a secret from you, and it's been really, really difficult. Today we are about to reveal this beautiful megacar, and we have decided to name this car after you as a tribute to your life, your legacy, and everything that you've done for Koenigsegg. And so the new megacar will be named the Koenigsegg Jesko. So everybody, we will start the presentation now. We will dim the lights, and finally you will get to see this beautiful megacar, the Koenigsegg Jesko.
So this is the new Koenigsegg Jesko. This is very, very emotional for me. In the press material, we'll hear a little bit more about the background stories. How I worked with my father for 5-6 years in the early years, and Jesko just turned 80 a few months ago, and we were having this 25th anniversary this year, and a new car model. And I couldn't think of any better way than honoring my great father for all his help and just for being a great guy. He is, for sure, the greatest supporter I've ever had. Yeah, emotional. So, a little bit about the car. What are we seeing in front of us? This is a beast. This is the true form.
Find me in the corner